Good evening, viewers. I am top astrologer M. Rajasekaran. In this prediction video, I would like to tell you about my views on the Uttar Pradesh Population Control Bill 2021. Disclaimer: out of 10 predictions made, I am getting 7 to 8 predictions correct. Viewers are requested to make a note of this point. The views expressed in this channel should not be taken as a share trading advice. We all know that recently Uttar Pradesh government had introduced a population control bill in state assembly. The contents of the bill are: 1. Parents cannot have more than 2 children. More than 2 children will lead to the deprivation of right to get government jobs, deprivation of getting the government benefits. According to top astrological view, this is the starting point of India's next transformation. We are going to see a different India during 2048 to 2064. India will not able to retain its democratic qualities. It will lose them gradually. India will come under the rule of dictatorship, maybe an elected dictatorship. People's civil rights will be curtailed. This transformation will be much visible and will be felt by many from the years 2023 to 2035. The contents of the bill would prevail all over India during 2048 to 2064. That means these thoughts or the contents of the bill would be implemented throughout the India during these 2048 to 2064 years. I'm not saying whether the bill is right or wrong. An astrologer's work is to predict and not taking sides. This is the possible projection of India. India, we are now a democratic country. Gradually, we will lose that quality step by step, and during the years 2048 to 2064, we will our ruling uh, would have been transformed into dictatorship. Because of this, the changes in Indian stock market will be: banking sector will take a beating, more loan waivers will be given, less interest rates, government controls will be increased. Prediction explained. If you analyze your life under the history, you will know that nothing happens in one day. Every major incident in your life and history of the country would have occurred with a series of events. In my astrology system, to predict the future, I track and follow that series of events. Because of this, we can know what is going to happen in the future much before. You see, now it is only 2021. From here, it is possible to have a look at 2064, which is 43 years away. Using my this the possibility of having a look at the future is done using my top equation: past is equal to future. People may not agree with this. That is why I am making stock market predictions. With the same equation, same concept, we can look at the near future also. If I predict an event which is far away, then you will not be able to check it. But when I make a prediction for the recent future, you can check it. Stock market predictions are complicated. That is why still I am unable to reach the 70 to 80% success rate. But look at my other predictions. You will realize that quite easily I have reached the 70 to 80% success rate because the dimensions which stock market has is more than the dimensions which other aspects of life has. That is why stock market predictions are difficult. But I would not say that it is impossible. It will take more readings and more time. That's all. Thank you.